All right, hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. We're about to get our first hard pulls in the Procharged Shelby Gt350. It is crazy, crazy loud over here, man. Give you guys a quick walk around. We are on the stock wheels with the Mickey Thompson ET tire. This is going to be the 305 3519. Y'all can see the stage 2 intercooler up front. It's like 85 degrees outside right now. Hot, but we gonna see how she feels. All right, 3, 2, 1. This is going to be the last night I have the cam tune enabled, as well as the pops and bangs tune. Going to be flashing that later on this morning. This car needs a wash bad too. All right, gonna go hit my spot in Mexico. We're probably gonna do 2 second gear pulls and then a 3rd gear pull to feel her out. So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I'll see y'all in Mexico. All right, but before we get to Mexico, let me go ahead and switch the mode and turn off advanced track. Definitely want to turn off advanced track. There we go. All right, now I know a lot of you guys don't like the light on, but considering the fact that if I do not have it on, you are not going to be able to see anything. I'm gonna leave it on. Ear-piercing loud, ladies and gentlemen. Ear-piercing loud. But she's hooking. She's hooking. I'm really happy with these Mickey Thompson ET Street SS tires. I was about to actually get rid of them and switch to the Nitto R2s, which I know are also good tires, but this is hooking up pretty damn good. But at the same time, actually, it's like almost 90 out right now. Damn. I'm really happy with these tires. That was like a I really don't know what roll that was. I wasn't paying attention. Be like a 40 or a 45 or something like that, but she's hooking up, that's for sure.
A few moments later.
All right, so we're coming up on my spot. not gonna drag in the car. Just do some pulls. I'm gonna let that car kind of get ahead. Hopefully there's not a car coming the other direction. If there is, I'm just gonna avoid it and go home, because not really trying to mess with any of that. Oh my gosh. Oh man. That felt good. Woo! That felt good. I'm really impressed with these tires, man. I really am. I'm not trying to go too crazy because, again, it's still on the stock clutch, and I want it to last as long as humanly possible. But man, it felt pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. That felt good. All right. Third gear hit. That guy kind of sketched me out right there. But third gear is like a time warp. Third and fourth gear, like if you do a third gear 60 roll in a Shelby Gt350, it's literally a time warp. Like it's like it literally is a time warp in this car. Doing a third gear like 60 hit. Whew. Let the car cool off because we've been driving around for like probably 40 minutes or longer. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the hard pulls. Couldn't go too crazy. There's a lot of cars out tonight, so I will go ahead and throw in some clips that I did prior before I really started to get used to it. Still, you know, ripping on it, but I think I'm actually ready to start going ahead and running the car up against some of the homies that I raced in the 2-valve, just to compare, to see the difference between the boosted Shelby Gt350 as well as the boosted 2-valve. 5.2 versus 5.4. P1SC versus D1SC. 8 pounds on 93 versus 15 pounds on E85. I think it's be quite different, man. I think it's gonna be quite different. This car obviously feels a lot more linear than the 2-valve. The 2-valve made more torque, but just the RPM and just how linear this is, that second gear in here is it's nasty. I already know when I switch to E85 and get a drag radial, this is going to be a ridiculous setup. I mean, it's already on a radial, but you know, a non-19-inch drag radial. This is, I'm considering this a street tire still. Technically it's a radial, but in 19s, you still kind of have that weird little hop, shakiness, but for the most part, this setup is not bad whatsoever. Dude, it's like popping and banging like crazy. Dude! I got a bunch of shit in the trunk. Oh my God. It hooked. We'll do like a little pull. Yeah, it's cooking. It's cooking. It's quick. It's quick. It's quick. I'm gonna do like a little third gear hit right here. Holy shit. It's way, way, way different. Oh my God. It shot a flame. I know that for a fact. It shot a fucking flame. It shot a flame.